Well, now that is a very annoying sound. Yeah, the fan should not sound like that. Uh, it sounds stupid. Not like that. Yeah. I don't know where. I don't know where exactly where it's bad.